Apple and the stock markets are going to have a huge day. Apple's going to add a few $100 billion in market value after the Trump administration exempted smartphones, microchips, and electronics from China's 125% tariffs and even the global 10% baseline tariffs. But the China fentanyl tariffs of 20% do stay on. Now, Trump says that nobody's getting off the hook, and they are looking at semiconductors and the whole electronic supply chain for new specialized tariffs.
He's saying they're exempt from the reciprocal tariffs, but they're included in the semiconductor tariffs, which are coming in probably a month or two.
Now, Apple suppliers across Asia rallied on the back of this news because even if there are new tariffs, they're not going to be 125% like they were in China. And don't forget that a lot of these companies still manufacture and assemble their electronic goods across the Asia Pacific. Morgan Stanley says that Apple assembles 90% of their iPhones in China, 4 out of 5 iPads, and 60% of Macs. Now, Apple has been shifting more of their production over to India and Vietnam, and 20% is much more manageable for a company like Apple. You've read the analyst notes where they predict that a US-made iPhone could cost from $1,900 to $3,500, which is 3 times the current price. But it's not just Apple devices. Think of NVIDIA chips, Microsoft Xbox, the Sony PlayStation, Samsung televisions. They are also now exempt, at least in the short term, from these higher tariffs.